Right, so it's a few hours later. Actually, it's many hours later. I have the front suspension back on the Subaru for a test fit. These are the brackets that I made today. It's kind of an L-shaped bracket back there. Originally, this car has torsion bar suspension. Both torsion bars were up here. They bolted through these big bosses. So this is a really strong part of the monocoque. Here's your shock tower. All this has been reinforced. I needed to tap into that, so I drilled a couple holes here right at the base of the shock tower. And I made some brackets out of 1x2 tubing. See that? And that gave me something really strong and sturdy to attach the upper control arm. What do you call that? I guess that'd be my caster angle. And also you can change your camber by putting shims in there. That bar, there's a term for that bar, I can't think of it right now. So that had to be secure. Before it was just bolted straight into the body tub, which was just thin metal. It is really nice and solid now. I'm going to triangulate with some gussets here. I'll end up welding this to the body. And then also I tapped into, you can see that tab I've got in the back there, my shock mount. My shocks are now too close to the body. I've got to move them out a few inches. And I'm going to triangulate in here too. So this whole front part of the car is going to be super sturdy. Then I got to work on my cross member down here. And you can see my basically a tie rod end link is going to go to the back and connect back there. At least I hope it will. So I'll have rear steer. The calipers will be in this area here. It's all kind of coming together. Upper and lower ball joint. I don't anticipate any bump steer. I can deal with it and work around it, I think. But I've got everything so I can adjust it and align it. I wish I would have got the adjustable control arms, but they were really expensive. So we're getting there. We've got shocks now. We've got spindles, caliper brackets, rotors, bearings, ball joints. I'm going to cut out this spring perch. Don't need that. Working on the cross member, and I'm working on this. Boy, I tell you what, designing a suspension system is not easy, and I hope it all works out, but I think I've got everything going by the book the way it should be, and making it all adjustable, so if I don't like something I can always change it. Alright, thanks for watching, thanks for hanging in there. I'll show you the other side. Looks exactly the same. It's looking pretty good. Have power, you gotta have brakes. That's the whole reason for doing this. The little tiny drum brakes that were on here before were 8-inch drums, 10-inch wheels, and it just wasn't gonna work. I'm not gonna sacrifice my life to have a little fun. Oh, and then as far as brakes go, there's a RX-7 master cylinder, and on the inside here is a power brake booster. So it should stop really, really good, 4-wheel disc brakes. Okay, that's it for tonight, and we'll catch you on the next episode of What's Happening. Thanks for watching.